Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to make simple and nutritious Greek salad. It has lots of health benefits such as preventing the buildup of cholesterol, reducing the chances of diabetes, cancer and heart disease. Especially it is very easy and simple to make. For one big bowl of salad, take half Roman lettuce or any lettuce available, one cucumber, half cup cherry tomatoes or any tomatoes, half cup green peated olive or any peated olive available, half red onion or any onion available, 1/4 any color of capsicum, 50 gram feta cheese or any type of cheese, 2 cloves of garlic crushed, half teaspoon black pepper powder. Slice the cucumber into bite-sized pieces. Cucumber has high water content which maintain hydration, prevent kidney disease and helps in weight loss and improve digestion. Take the lettuce and remove the core like this and chop into bite-sized pieces. Wash it thoroughly with icy cold water and dry it well to prevent from becoming soggy. Take a big bowl and put chopped lettuce into it. Roman lettuce is high in fiber which helps in digestion. It is rich in vitamin A and C which improves skin condition. Also it contains potassium and prevent heart issues, and its antioxidant property reduces the chances of diabetes and cancer. Cut cherry tomatoes into 2 pieces or you can use large diced tomatoes. Now cut olives into 2 pieces like this. Thinly slice the half red onion like this, and you can use any color onion. Now take quarter capsicum, remove the seeds and cut into bite-sized pieces. Finally add the chopped cucumber, tomatoes, capsicum, olives and onion on top of the chopped lettuce and set aside. Now cut the feta cheese into bite-sized pieces and spread on top of the salad. Cheese is good for bones, helps in digestion and boosts immunity. Now prepare the dressing. Take a small bowl, pour 2 tablespoons of olive oil into it. Then add 2 tablespoons freshly squeezed lemon juice, half teaspoon black pepper. At the end, crush 2 garlic cloves into it and mix well. Now pour the dressing on top of the salad like this. And mix gently. Now look at this. Our tasty, healthy and full of great nutrients Greek salad is ready. Please give this recipe a try, and if you enjoy my video, please subscribe to my channel for more healthy recipes and health related tips. Thank you for watching my video.